Hi guys, today we are at International Premium Outlets and I'm going to the Disney Character Warehouse store and I'm going to take you guys with me. Let's go. Have some stuffed animals from Star Wars. Here are those pumpkins. They are tiny. I didn't realize they were that small. I thought they were bigger than that. What do you got? 3 of them? No. Star Wars. $11.99, I like that. $14.99 for the backpack and $12.99 for the purse, and it's adorable. I would use it.
This is a small.
All right, Becky, this is for you. $14.99. Light up ears. I like this shirt. $12.99. Food and wine. $7.99. $12.99. Ooh, that's thin. $12.99 and $12.99. Oh, this is $19.99. Plenty of ears. I think they're between $2.99 and $7.99. Oh, Mulan. It's cute. Dress strap dresses. So you got the leopard print, I think 25. You've got the unicorn for $20, $40, $40. Not dress shop dresses for $35. And then over here we got some keychains. Oh, $12.99. I remember when these came out, I wanted that. Yeah, it sucks. The one day I don't bring my wallet in, I find a bunch of stuff I want. Well, it's a good thing that I didn't bring my wallet in. Boo would not be happy with me. Some phone cases, but not many. Lots of mugs. And cups for $1.99. We got Mr., but I don't see no Mrs. iDrive has a lot of the same bags that they had over at Vineland. They have some Coach shirts here still. Pretty much the same thing as the other location. Halloween bowls. The bowls run between 26 and down, but 20 bucks, and this is huge and it's heavy. That would be a lot to ship. So if you're shopping with anybody, if you order these, it's going to cost a whole lot to ship. So keep that in mind. I let you know when things are extremely heavy. $14.99 for the cups. Well, this is cute. First time I seen something like this. It's a puzzle, but when it's done, it goes in a frame. It's only a 50-piece puzzle, so it's not a hard puzzle, but it goes in a frame. That is $9.99. Oh, and it comes with batteries, so this does light up. That is cool. That is really, really neat. Oh, look at this little orange guy. He's from Marvel. He's $12.99. I have no idea who he is or what he does. Alright, this is the Chip and Dale collection. $25 for the sweatshirt. But look at the shirt, and they've got shorts to match. There you go. Well, there's shorts to match that shirt. Oh no, I'm sorry, right there, that shirt. Yeah, this whole collection, I do not remember seeing it at Parks. But it's all Chip and Dale. Oh, look at the sweatshirt.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's new. This is the front of the shirt, and that's on the back of the shirt. $8.99, $16.99. $16.99. $14.99. $14.99. Star Wars rug, but I don't see a price on it, and they're too heavy to pick up. Well, that was the Disney Character Warehouse store. It got so busy by the end there, so I hope you enjoyed what I was able to show you and bring you. Comment down below if there's products that you are particularly looking for at the warehouse and you want me to look for when I'm here. That's a good thing to do. Any other suggestions of any other stores you want to see inside the outlets? Let me know that one too, because I don't just do Disney Character Warehouse, I will do other stores too. And if you like this video and you want to help support us, give us a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. That helps me out incredibly a lot. It really does. It really do. It do.
It do?
It do, it does, it was. And so, Obi was out here with Daddy while I was in the store, so we are off to another adventure. I don't know what we're going to do next, but as always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye. Obi, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.